software which is known as Format Factory. Okay, this Format Factory's latest version, which is here, you can see that 5.1.0. this is the latest version where WebM format is also available, as well as other all formats are available. So whatever you are making in shape of video, you can drag and put in the here you can see that this is the way you can drag it. And okay, then you go to the setting, and okay, put it here, and now you can see that there is a audio section here. You scroll down it, and here now you have all options of audio. Here you can see that this is the sample rate. First of all, you click here and it will open and put it on 48,000. okay, remember 48,000. then you go to the bit rate and put it on 192%. okay, 192 bit rates. okay, and then this is the key. Here you can enhance your volume, video volume by 200%, but no, go to this column and through backspace of keyboard, through backspace, click it, and it will come to the 0 and type 300. okay, now you can see, I repeat, I changed the sample rate on 48,000, then bit rate on 192 bit rate, and enhance the volume up to 300%. okay, 300%. okay, now just tick OK, and here tick OK. now you can see that this video now come in this way, and just now you have to start here it is. now you can see that the process have been started. Now it is up to your laptop and your processor, how strong your processor is and how lengthy video is. Ultimately this video will convert, and the format will not be changed. The format will remain in MP4 format. You can also change the video format by the changing video format option. I have just focused on the voice quality. So now you can see that the entire video will recoded, and the video quality will remain same, and the format will remain same as I have put in on the MP4. You can change it as per your wish, but MP4 is the best for YouTubers, and it will convert into MP4. okay, and the sound quality will be enhanced. I have just I just want to say just want to tell you this secret and this trick, and I hope that you understand. Now where from you can download it? Here is the official page of this website. Remember, this video is 76 MBs. This video is of this software is this software is of 76 MBs. So this is the home page. I will give you the link on description. You can take this link from the description box and download. This is, guys, 100% free. No crack, no key is required, and this is fully functioned. okay, so I hope you would like this video, and if you like, please subscribe my channel.